Hi, have you watched the movie Confessions of a Shopaholic? Because in that movie, there is this dialogue which says, when I shop, the world gets better. And that is definitely true in my case, especially during these gloomy days. Online shopping has been my sunshine, so it's like rays of hope. So I feel good when I shop, and in this video I'm going to show the mini shopping haul that I did from online store Nykaa. So let's get started. So during these days we need to be extra cautious whenever you are receiving a parcel or anything that comes from outside. So what I've done is I have received the box from Nykaa and I have sanitized it and removed all the products and sanitized them as well. So it's not going to be a typical unboxing video because I won't be just opening the box in front of you, because I had to sanitize everything, which is done already. So I have products with me which I'm gonna show one by one. Currently, there are a lot of offers going on in every online stores, including Nykaa. In Nykaa, there are so many offers going on particular brands. And the first brand I shopped from is Lakme. These are eye pencils from their collection called Gelato collection. They have like 7 to 8 colors in this. All are like vibrant colors. You can't expect any normal black color in this. So I chose the orange shade and the green shade. The original price is 800 rupees, but after discount it's for 499. I had my eyes on these pencils like for a long time. I personally felt 800 is a lot for just eye pencils, considering the fact that I have a lot of eye pencils which I don't really use often. So I was just waiting for the discounts and it did happen, and I bought these two, 499 each. I'll just swatch them for you. So here you go, the green one. Oh, the color payoff is quite nice. Oops. Yes, this one, I just pressed it really hard and I broke the tip anyway. So this is like the second one. Color payoff is quite nice and it's very creamy. I believe it's not waterproof because it's quite creamy, and whenever I have tried the creamy consistency one, it just smudges and it doesn't stay on my eyes for a long time. Let's see. So these two are the swatches. So there was this one more offer on Lakme. If you spend more than 1000 rupees, you would get a lipstick free. How can I control myself when I hear the word free product? I have to shop. So I bought this one. This is again from Lakme. This is liquid eyeliner. It's very affordable one. Cost of this is 130 rupees. It's very affordable. It's liquid liner and it's a very good deal for the price we are paying. They have 4 different colors in this range, out of which I have 3. They have black, green, blue and yellow. Except yellow, I have all 3 different colors. And I love this blue, and let me show you the color. It's a perfect blue. I have been looking for this blue like really long time. I love how these colors are looking. So yes, this is the blue color. I love this range. I have already reviewed this black one on my blog as well. I like this. So I said after shopping more than 1000 rupees I would get a lipstick free. So this is the free lipstick I got. This is from 9 to 5 Lakme and the shade is Velvet Teddy, I guess, or Velvet Teddy is from MAC. Wait, this is Blush Velvet, sorry. So Blush Velvet, it says, or it has the sticker called Tester, but it's a new one. So this is the one. This was randomly added to the cart. So offer lipstick, I didn't had any choice or the choices out of which I could choose my free lipstick, but this was like randomly added. But luckily I kind of like this shade. This is like nude shade with a base of pink. This kind of nice. I liked it, and it almost, I had this kind of shade from different brand, I guess from MAC Fast Play. I think so. It is that shade, but this is nice. Let's see. This is like first lipstick from 9 to 5 range, so I'm yet to try it out. Next up are my favorite products. There is no brownie points in guessing my favorite makeup products. So, ta-da! The lipsticks again. So this is from the brand Nykaa, and it's a matte to last liquid lipstick. I have 3 of them already with me. One is Gul, and one is Delhi, and other was Bombay. Bombay, it's over because it was a mini one, so I bought regular sized one this time because I really liked the shade. I'll show you the shade soon. And yes, it lasts for a really long time on my lips, and I didn't find it very dry on my lips, so that's why I like them. And I wanted to try different shades, so Kashi and Janvi are the different shades which I'm gonna try. So let me first swatch it for you. Even I have not seen these shades personally, so it's a surprise from me as well. So first I'm opening Bombay. Bombay I'm already familiar with. So this is Bombay. Oh my god, these two shades are almost the same, but nah, this is pink one, this is kind of a brownish base. Maybe in the camera it's looking same, but trust me, they are different. Next up is Kashi. It's a proper, like, you know, brownish shade. This is Kashi. Next up is Janvi. In one of the reviews, I had heard one of the bloggers say that it's not mini, it should be called micro, and I really agree with that. Look at this, it's smaller than my little finger, so it's that small. So this is Janvi, the shade Janvi. So this is like a very lightish brown, a hint of nude in it, and it's perfect for daily wear as well. And I bought all these shades keeping in mind whenever I resume my, you know, going to office, it should be comfortable enough to wear it in my office. So that's why I bought these shades. It's a nude, brown, pink, so they are perfect for office wear. Along with this, I bought this nail paint remover from Maybelline, and I find it very calm and it does its job without harming my nails. And I bought this mini bronzer from Hoola Benefits. So this one is the bronzer, and it comes with a brush as well. And you want to see the swatch? I'll show you the swatch. I don't know you're able to see it. It's just a bronzer powder. So this is how it looks. So these are the products I bought from Nykaa recently. And I'm going to leave the links for each of these products in the description box below. And I hope you find this useful for your next shopping. And thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Bye.